I had water leaking down the walls, and it was getting onto the floor. So you guys came and gave me I think it's called a French drain.
Water guard.
Oh.
It's very similar.
Okay.
Yes.
And the whole unit, and I've been fine ever since.
Explain your experience with the design technician and his presentation. What did you like about it?
Oh, I like that he's so friendly and answered any questions that I had.
Okay. What was the determining factor in choosing Healthy Basement Systems to take care of your problem?
There's nothing better. Shop around, but you'll stick with them because they're the best.
Explain your experience with the production team that came to your home. Were they considerate and communicative? Did they perform a well-executed cleanup?
Yes, absolutely. He's wonderful. He's been to my house 2 years in a row, and I am so pleased.
Has the problem been rectified, improved since Healthy Basement Systems was in your home?
Absolutely.
And then what products or systems were installed to rectify the issue in your home?
Healthy basement dehumidifier. Is that what it is?
Yes. And then you had the pump system.
Yes.
And water guard. And I think in the crawl space we did
Oh, yes,
the encapsulation system.
yes, they did. Forgot about that. I never go in there.